In this video, we will walk through the number configurations in the display settings. The first option we have is to configure semantic formatting, which if we enable this will automatically color all of the positive and negative values based on the color specification here below. We can choose what the color will be as well. In addition, we also have an option to choose how the formatting for the positive and negative values will look. In this case, positive is going to be formatted as 1, 2, 3. Alternatively, we can choose to add a plus symbol in front or behind it. The negative values also have similar configurations. We can change it from brackets to either a minus symbol in front or behind it as well. The options here for null let you choose between a blank, 0, hyphen, or a custom. We also have options as well for when the value is 0, do we display a 0? Or additionally, we can choose to display it as blank, with a hyphen, or as a custom. If I selected custom, you'll see additional options in here where you can actually type in your own symbol. As one example, I can use a tilde right here, which then into the table that previously had a 0 value, now we see the tilde showing up as well. You can also customize either the decimal or the thousand separator to change that from either a period or a comma. The left align prefix, if disabled. In this example, it took that dollar symbol, which was previously left aligned, and moved it next to the numbers. Turning it back on, you can see that effect and change happening. You can also choose to give it a custom label as well. In this case, we can actually choose what the column scaling label will be and provide individual symbols for any of the values as well. And then at the very bottom, we also have additional configurations for reading view tooltip. And this is the settings that can be observed once you publish the report and it's being used by report consumers in reading mode in the Power BI service. So scaled tooltip, when turned on, will show you the scaled value as an example 4.5 million instead of the whole raw number if that was turned on. And similarly with custom decimals, you can choose how many decimals, if enabled, you would like that tooltip to display. And then last but not least, at the very bottom, the sign in the headers, if I enabled that, you will now see by default the minus signs that are showing up for rows that have negative values. You can also choose to configure it to show the positive plus sign for the rows that have positive values or an equal on the rows that have totals.